Hi, yeah, in this video, I will show you how to use a trick in R so that you can run descriptive statistic on all the variables in the dataset. This will be good for quick data analysis. So first, let me import the dataset from an SPSS data file, and it's in this directory. It's called bladder. So let's do that, import. And you can see now the bladder dataset is in the working directory now. The first thing we can do is to look at the structure of this dataset. You can see currently all the variables, the type of data of all the variables is numeric, but we want to see if there's any like categorical variables. Okay, so here is all the frequency tables for all the variables, and obviously for tx as the treatment 0, 1, that should be a categorical variable. And here let's make a decision that if a variable has less than, say, 7 values, then we treat it as a categorical variable. Okay. So based on that criteria, we need to treat event and interval and tx as categorical variables. So we need to convert their type of data from numerical to factor. So here we do this recoding, and let's take a look again. And now you can see interval and event and also tx are factors. And after that, we can load in the package. So the secret here is the package called prettyR. Okay. So originally, this package is really for producing, nice looking descriptive tables in HTML files, but it really automatically runs descriptive statistics on all the variables in the data set. So let's load it in and just use describe, and voila. And you can see it has all the frequency tables and also for continuous variables, it has a mean, median variable, standard deviation, and valid n. Okay, so it is very interesting. So here, I think this is a good example showing you how to use prettyR to run the descriptive statistics for all the variables in the data set. However, this trick will be really powerful on like a data set with many variables. For example, you have several hundred or even thousands of variables. And then you can use this trick to run descriptive statistics on all the variables. You can take a quick look of this descriptive statistics. However, as we have seen, some data set come in which some of the variables should be categorical, so and they should be coded as factor. Otherwise, the prettyR function describe will treat those as continuous. So I'm still working on a way to automatically detect the type of variable in each and every variable in the data set, and if a data set a variable has a value like less than 7 values that are coded as categorical and coded as a factor. However, I have not figured out a way yet, but once I do, I'll make another video so this approach can become more powerful. Okay, thank you for watching.